most of you know me, and only one part of mine that you may not know is that I do some writing as well. I am published writer of books. One of the books, which is the latest one, just a couple of months back, it was published, is on the same topic. So that about myself, I don't need to talk much about, but I'm writing on these topics and also presenting to in various forums. The latest one, which actually um, resulted in this presentation, was last year in Balochistan when I was there. So I did some topics from this list that I'm going to show to you about self-improvement and leadership development that I shared with them and during when I was writing this book as well. So this is a little bit about the myself related to the topic, and uh, let's go into the contents. The introduction we already talked about.